All right, here we go. Kuro, CB1K, riding with a group of friends. Talk on your Cardo Pack Talk. Ride your own ride. If it's not safe for you to go, don't go. There you go. Good job. Good job. A lot of people usually gun it because they don't want to miss their buddies. But when you're talking on your Cardo Pack Talk Bold or any of the Cardo Pack Talks or any of the free comms, with this discount code, you get a discount. You can actually tell them, hey, a vehicle came out. Don't go yet, especially if you're the one in front. That way you can help your buddy out. Here we go.
Stop, sweetie.
Oh, stop. Donkeys. Look at those asses. Look at this guy, like, go back, buddy. Side of the donkey.
Holy shit.
Donkey.
Did not expect that.
No.
Holy shit.
Here we go. Turning left. Oh, come on, bicyclist. Handled it well. Nils 158. Ooh, around the bend. Can't try to pay attention to everybody. Made it through. Very good. We're gonna take a right-hand turn. A little fast though. Ooh, high side. Big crash. Hopefully that's an armored hoodie. Let's take a quick look at that one. So we're going through here, 57, 60, 60. Okay, we're maintaining throttle. Good. Now we're gonna accelerate through here. But what kind of turn is this coming up? We don't know. It's blind. It's a blind turn. And we're gonna speed through it, going 83. Okay, we increase the speed, a little too much throttle on a blind curve. Should have been orange stage. Couldn't see, couldn't do much. Moving through here. See a bunch of buddies running up to help. That's really good. You guys already know what's wrong with this picture. It doesn't have a quad lock. Come on now, his phone fell off. All right, moving through here. Uncommon thing, common situation. Left turner, got himself out of there, non-issue. Thankfully he saw it. Thankfully the person did not keep going. Straw dragging. Watch out for the side of the vehicle and this guy merging. Lots of idiots on the road. Handled it well. Applied some good brake pressure. Planned his ride a little bit better than most. All right, accident with the dog. Yeah. All right, so we're coming up ahead. Moving through here. What is this person doing? Yeah, there's that uncommon thing in a common situation. That person was not paying attention, did not see us. Do you think it might have been something like inattentional blindness? Inattentional blindness? Yeah, so let's take a quick look. So we're coming up to here. We're riding. This person that is going to do the U-turn just wasn't paying attention, didn't see us, whatever it was paying attention to these two vehicles. Hey, they're not in my way anymore. I'm going to go ahead and do a U-turn. So in this situation, what we can do is accelerate out of here and make our own escape path. Accelerate through and get out. Because this guy's going to turn, and before he even sees us, we're going to clip right into him. So anyways, Techie 112. Ooh, we got some shadows, side of the vehicle. Swerve. Don't worry about the rev bombs. They ain't going to do nothing. We're going to blur out our speedo because we're probably going faster than the speed limit here. Can't see much. We got shadows kind of in the way. Sun is pointing towards that way where the driver's coming out. So maybe sun in the eyes of that driver. We are hauling ass. We have a side of the vehicle. So it's coming up right here. Okay, you can kind of see it. At this point, we have to plan our ride. We located it, but we're not doing anything. Okay, we need to get a better position. We need to navigate out of here. This is going to be an orange stage right now that this person's in our way. Maybe they stop right here. I don't know. If they don't stop, then it's going to be a red stage. We have to get ourselves out of here or we're going to hit him. So he's going to rev bomb. He's not going to do much. He's not going to do anything until the last second, and then we find that escape path and swerve. Okay, it's not good enough. It's not good enough in my opinion. Did he save himself from a crash? Yes. Could he have done better? Yes. So let's learn from it. Way too close. Here we go. 1-2 rider. Are we going fast? I don't know. It seems like we're handling it pretty well. The side of the vehicle in the middle of a turn. So we just recently got a nice little debate going on in the Discord about how straightening up in the corner when there's a hazard is unsafe and will kill you, and you have to learn trail braking. Take a look at this. He straightened it up and applied the brakes. Yes, he probably has all the traction control features that any other motorcycle can have combined. I get it, but he's handling it. right? So what he's doing, he sees the hazard, side of the vehicle. Side of the vehicle. Straightened it up and applied the brakes. That's all you can do. Good progressive brake pressure, a little bit of squealing. So he straightened it up. And here's the thing. You just slow it down enough for this person to accelerate and get up to speed. And then you can swerve out of the way if you needed to. In this situation, it's pretty scary because there's nothing on the right side. So when it comes down to what's better, trail braking or straightening it up, I'm going to tell you right now, trail braking is better. But is it the only thing you can do? Imagine this. Imagine this. You have a bunch of different screwdrivers, so flatheads, Phillips, or Torx, whatever it is, a bunch of them. And then you're like, I have every tool I need. But then you come over here and you get like this drill, and it's just like has multiple different heads. You're like, you know what? I'm going to throw out all these tools. Now I have this one thing. This is going to solve this is going to solve every situation I'm ever in. A trail braking is going to solve everything. No. How about this? You have all your tools. You have that new tool. Now you have a bunch of tools in the new tool. Have a bunch of different tools. So slow look, press and roll, straightening it up in the corner, applying the brakes, and trail braking could be 3 tools that you have. Or you could throw out everything and just say, I'm going to trail brake everything. Come on. That tells me that you don't know what you're doing. That tells me that you'll just take whatever's next. Come on. Yeah, I'm not throwing away any of my old tools if they still work. Exactly. Paying attention and not going too fast is the best tool in a lot of these situations. You guys see this all the time in these crashes and close calls. Speed is usually the main factor here. So we're going to use trail braking so we can modulate and turn faster. All right, here we go. We're riding through here. Is it going to be an uncommon thing? Yep, it is. Good job with the escape path. Ooh, that could have been bad. That's a gutter. That's a big old ditch right there. Ooh. So the reason why I think it was an uncommon thing to start is that we have a line of sight issue. So we're going through a corner. We have this big bus coming up. Okay, that's going to be a line of sight issue. We can't see what's around this corner. So at this point, I'm going to be in orange stage. And I'm going to be like, I don't like this. And I'm going to be off to the right. So I'm going to position for safety. So planning my ride, I position for safety. I'm going to be moving over to the right. So you can't see anything around here. No, ooh, right here, boom, we see it. Okay, so the good thing is that he's not going fast. And so right here, all we have to do is switch over to the right. Now, okay, not a big deal, not a big deal. Handled it well, planned our ride, we located the hazard. We're going to adapt to it by positioning a little bit. We had to find that escape path and get ourselves out of there. And so he not only adapted to the right, he had to apply progressive brake pressure. He had to find the escape path, so kind of like a swerve a little bit, and allow this person to come in. So imagine if he fought for the lane and just sped up, where would that car go? So handled it really well. And look at this. Look at the position he's in. If you guys got to practice this. Your bike can handle the smallest contact patch. He's on the line. That's it. That's it. You don't have to swerve all the way off to the shoulder. But thankfully it turned out well. Because if you had to, go into that ditch.